to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. As you can see, I'm not in the kitchen. I'm in my office. I'm coming to you several hours late. Things are just not normal here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So just please bear with me. I will give you details soon. I've figured out what I'm going to do for dinner. It was already on the schedule, but because things aren't normal, yeah, I'm playing it by ear. But let's talk about last night. Last night I did the lentil soup with lemon. I actually served that over long grain white rice. It was really, really good. Very Indian inspired, Indian region. Very good. I've already uploaded the recipe for you. I did that this morning, but I just want to talk about it briefly. I actually had it for brunch today, and I added just a little bit of Thai red pepper, just enough, just to give it a little kick. It was really good the second day, and again I had it over rice. And that's gone. Yep, that's gone. Today I'm doing super simple. Not that soup was simple, but I'm doing super simple. Hot dogs and fries. Yep, simple. I will definitely be doing my usual, which is just a little bit of olive oil in a saute pan and cooking the hot dogs that way. Everything else is standard. I'm a ketchup guy. I know. Ketchup's not supposed to go on hot dogs, for what most of you say. So yeah. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow. I mean, I have a couple ideas for tomorrow and Sunday. So yeah, stick around on this Friday the 13th. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.